What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another quick tip video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to improve your credit score in 30 days. Let's get started. In today's video, you're going to see me looking down at my laptop every once in a while. I have some notes on my laptop. I want to make sure I cover all of the information I need to cover in today's video. So the first tip I'm going to give you guys is that I recommend that you pay down your revolving credit balance twice per month, one on the due date, then on or before the statement date, you pay off or pay down your balance. So why should you pay twice? Well, you're paid first on the statement date. You're paid first on the due date, which you need to pay, you need to pay your credit card on time, because if you don't, it definitely will hurt your credit in 30 days. So you pay the minimum payment, or whatever amount, at least at the minimum payment on the due date. And then either on or right before the statement date, you're going to pay off or pay down your current balance. And why do you do this? Well, the credit card company is going to report the balance that you have on the statement date to the credit reporting bureaus, the credit reporting agencies. A lot of people make the mistake of they will pay the minimum payment or whatever, a payment above, on or above, or even pay off their credit card on the due date. But then they continue to use it and not realizing that the credit card company does not report the balance that they have on the due date. They report the balance that they have on the statement date, which is days later. So guys, if you want to improve your credit score in 30 days, you need to pay it off or pay down right before the statement date, and then the balance that's on the statement date will get reported to the credit reporting agencies. So next tip that I have is you need to spend less money and make more money. In fact, these two tips will help you with the first tip. If you spend less money, then you'll have more money to pay off your balance. If you make more money, you'll have more money to pay off the balance. That one is kind of a give me, it's an easy one. And the next one is to increase your credit limit. And when you increase your credit limit, it's going to lower your utilization on your credit card. And this one, once again, will increase your credit score in 30 days, because as soon as that credit increase reports to the credit reporting agency, is going to improve your credit score. In fact, your credit score, your utilization is 30% of your credit score. So it's very, very, very important that you do whatever you can to lower your utilization. So if you pay down or pay off your balance right before the statement date, that will lower your utilization. If you increase your limit, the limit on your card, that will also lower your utilization. So next tip, this one may seem kind of obvious, but I have to say it: pay your bills on time. If you don't, it will definitely hurt your credit. And so please pay your bills on time. At a minimum, make the minimum payment, guys. That's very, very, very important. I hate to say it, it's a no-brainer, but some people think it's an option. It's not. Pay your bills on time if you want to increase your credit score in 30 days. And the next tip that I have is that you should check your credit reports for errors. There's tons of errors on most people's credit report, and they need to be fixed. And some of the easiest ones to fix, guys, and it would also increase your credit score if you fix them. The ones I find easy is your PI information, your personal information on your credit card. You have one name, you only live at one address, and you have one employer. All the other ones need to be removed. If you fix those things, guys, it will improve your credit score in 30 days. And the last one that I have is to use Experience Boost. I've used this before and it's helped me. In fact, I think when I used it, it improved my credit score to like 15 to 20 points. So only drawback of using Experience Boost is that it's experience only. but I still think it's very helpful because most of the times, seems like most credit card companies are either reporting or pulling from experience. So using Experience Boost, I feel is very, very helpful. And like I said before, I've used it before, and I've used all of the hacks that I just listed before, and they've helped me improve my credit score in 30 days. So that's all I have for today's video. Please like my video if you learned something today. Subscribe to the channel for more great content like this, and share this video. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.